Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. I'm at Walgreens, my favorite store to shop at, but I'm here to share with you guys some deals. I'm going to go in the store, walk around the store, show you deals that I do or not get and I might get, and then I come back and show you guys my haul, any questions, comments, concerns, any problems that I have. Now, I did hear the register rewards are working, so we will see, but I am pretty excited to share with you guys some deals. I do have a weekend wear that I did not finish at Walmart, but I only need one more rebate for a $1 bonus, so whoopee. But we're gonna go inside, share some deals, and I'm pretty excited to share with you, so let's go shopping and save some money. The Old Spice, Gillette, which my store does not have or sold out, and the Secret are 2 for $12. Now we do have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you'd want to use. You'd end up paying just $13, but then when you buy 3 of them, you get a $5 register reward, making them just $8 or $2.66 each. The Schick is on sale for $5.99, along with the Skintimate is $5.99. Now we did receive some $4 off insert coupons, plus we have a $4 off digital coupon. Welcome to Walgreens. And we also received a $4 off printable coupon, so however you want to do it, but you want to use 3 of the coupons. You'll end up paying just $5.97, but when you purchase the 3 products, you end up getting a $3 cash rewards. So it comes out to be just $2.97 or 99 cents each. The soft soap is on sale for $4.99, along with the Irish Springs, and we have the bars of soap for $4.99. Now we did receive some $1 off coupons that you can use, including this one, plus we also have a $1 off bar soap, or you can use the 2 $1 off digital coupons. You'll end up just paying $7.98, but when you purchase the 2 of them, you will get a $5 register reward, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The Dove body wash is on sale for $7. We have the men's, and then we also have the women's. We also have a 7 off of 2 digital coupon that you're going to use. You'll pay just $7 for the both of them, but when you purchase the 2, you will get a $4 register reward, making them $3 or just $1.50 each. The Olay body wash, I think the Old Spice is included too, is 2 for $13. You're going to buy 3 of them, and we have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you'd want to use. You'll end up paying just $14.50, but you do receive a $5 register reward when you purchase the 3. It comes out to be just $9.50 or $3.16 each, which is a little high if you needed to do that deal. The Oral-B toothbrushes are on sale for $3, along with the Crest Toothpaste, and we currently have a 6 off of 3 digital coupon that you'll want to use. You'll pay $3, but when you purchase the 3, you'll get a $5 register reward, making it a $2 moneymaker. But if you choose to purchase 3 of the toothpaste, you'll end up getting 50 cents back with IBOTTA. That comes out to be a $2.50 moneymaker. The Colgate Toothpaste is on sale for $2.99. I did have to scan a bunch of them for the coupon to pop up, so some of them you might want to check before you purchase your product. But this one does have the coupon pop up for $2.99. We have a $2 off digital coupon that you'd want to use. You'll end up just paying $3.98, but when you purchase 2 of them, you get a $4 register reward, making them both for free. Check out your winter supply stuff. A lot of this stuff is marked down to 70% off. I'm not sure if it even is marked down to 90. Some stores vary from what I've heard, but 70% off for slippers and gloves are a great deal. The Purex is $7.29 at buy one get one free. We do have a $1 off insert coupon that you could use, making it $6.29 or just $3.14 each. We also have the crystals, but my store is sold out of those, but those are $6.99. The Ajax dish soap is on sale for $1.99. Now we do have a 50 cent off digital coupon that you can use, making your final price for this just $1.49. If you guys need some Life cereal or Post cereal, they are on sale this week for $1.99. The Flintstone vitamins are $9.49 at buy one get one 50% off. You'll end up paying just $14.23, but there's some IBOTTA deals where you get $2 back when you purchase that with a limit of 3, so you'll get $4 back, making it just $10.23 or $5.11 if you need some vitamins. The red vines are 3 for $4. You would pay $4 for them, but there is a 75-cent rebate with IBOTTA with a limit of 5, so you can get them for 75 cents times 3. So your final total for just 3 of them come out to be $1.75 or 58 cents each. Hi everybody, welcome back to my Walgreens haul. I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So let's just dig in. So the register rewards are working. I ended up using like all of mine up because I just wanted to get rid of them. I had a ton of them. But when I share with you guys my final verdict, none of that stuff is factored in on how much I pay because everybody is different. So I'm just gonna throw everything in my little bag. I dropped my toothpaste, even though I have a ton of it. Okay, let's just dig in. So I ended up getting the red vines. These were 3 for $4. You'd pay $4 for it, but you get 75 cents, 75 cents, and 75 cents back, making these just, was it, I said $1.75 or $1.25. I forgot to write these down, but it comes out to be a good deal. And then you end up getting a 75-cent rebate with IBOTTA, so it ends up becoming like 59 cents each. Great deal. I ended up doing the Schick razors deal. Now these were $5.99. I had 2 $4 off insert coupons, and then there's also printables, and then I had a $4 off digital. You'd end up just paying $5.97, but then you get a $3 cash rewards when you purchase the 3 of these. So these come out to be just $2.97 or 99 cents each, which is a great deal. It's been a while since I've bought Schick at Walgreens, so yes. I just want to make sure my one coupon came off, and it did. Okay. I ended up getting the Crest Toothpaste. Now, these were $3 each. I had a 6 off of 3 digital coupon. You would just pay $3 for the 3 of these, but you can submit your receipt when you do just the toothpaste for 50 cents with IBOTTA. If you do the toothbrushes, you don't get to submit your receipt, but you can submit your receipt for 50 cents off of 3 with IBOTTA, and you get a $5 register reward, wherever that is. You get a $5 register reward, making these just $2.50 moneymaker. You get all these for free, and you make a profit, which is a great deal. I ended up getting 2 of the Colgate Toothpaste. These were $2.99. There is a $2 off digital coupon that you'd want to use. You'll pay just $2 for, you'll pay $3.98 for the 2 of these, but then you will get a $4 register reward when you purchase the 2. These come out to be both for free. So yes. I ended up getting the Irish Spring body wash, and I got some soft soap body wash. These were $4.99. I used a digital $1 off, and I used a $1 off insert coupon. You can do it however you want to do it, but there's 2 digitals, and then there's also bars of soap if you want to go ahead and do that. I kind of funny. There is $1 off, or there is Irish Springs bars of soap, but there's no soft soap bars of soap. I get a kick out of that. I just realized that the other day. But anyways, you'd pay $7.98. When you purchase the 2, you get a $5 register reward, making these just $2.98 or $1.49 each. So it depends on what you guys want to do for that. I ended up also getting the Dove body wash. I kept seeing all these deals, like people were like, their body wash is gone. My store was fully stocked. Like everything was completely full. But these were $7 each. You want to use a 7 off of 2 digital coupon. You would end up just paying $7, but then you get a $4 register reward when you purchase the 2 of them. The ad does say register reward, and I think the tag did say register reward. Some of you guys are like, oh, it's Walgreens cash. It says register reward as far as I know of. from last week. But you get that $4 register reward, making these just $3 or $1.50 each, which is a great deal. And then I got one more item to share with you guys. I got the Ajax. These were $1.99. You want to use a 50-cent off digital coupon, making this just $1.49. Now my store had some really good clearance items. They're all gone, which is totally fine. But make sure you guys are checking out your clearance, because there might be some good items. But my total came to $23.97. I only paid like less than $5 for everything, because I didn't have to pay very much, because I used my register rewards. But before the register rewards factored in, it came to $23.97. I did receive $18 worth of register rewards. I got 5 for the Crest. I got 4 for the Dove, 4 for the Colgate, and 5 for the soft soap / Irish Springs. So we got that. With points, I received $8.43. I got $3 for the Skintimate, and then I had a booster. So I got that. With IBOTTA, I received $2.75 for I have it for the Crest, and then I have it for the Red Vines. I forgot to add the Red Vines on my breakdown. And then I also have a $1 bonus for hitting the Weekend Warrior. So my grand total came to be a $6.21 moneymaker. I got everything for free. Now, I actually just posted a video. If you guys like, not with the words on it, but like if you just want like a breakdown, like a spreadsheet like this, I just posted a video where if you guys want to print that off, I have it for different stores where you guys can print them off for free and use them for your liking. I use this like crazy because it keeps me organized. It also helps me figure out what apps I can get my money back. So if you guys are interested in that, just go back a couple of videos. Otherwise, I do have it linked in every single video of mine where you guys can print your own printable spreadsheets. So a lot of people enjoy it, and I already have them made, so why not share them? But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all next time. See you later. Bye-bye.